short video on how to stop your gate from sagging, or a door. Over here we have a door that's sagged and it's twisted. This one was sagging. It was a very simple solution. We got a 2x4, lifted the gate, got a 2x4, and basically screwed it in to 3 crossbars, and it pretty much solved the problem. Gate swings nice, clears the ground. But what I like to do, also this fence is made out of cheap nails. What I like to do is put 1-inch exterior screws into each support rail, where the support rail is or where the nails is. You only need 1, 3 in each board, and it really tightens it up and makes it work real good. This one is, you can see, sagging, and it tends to deteriorate. This is a gate door. You can see it's, doesn't last long when it's not working correctly. There we have it, a nice strong fence now. Just one other thing you need to look at is the hinges. Make sure you have good hinges. That's where you start. Nice strong hinges, and then you go to the method I've shown you here with the 2x4 and screwing the boards in.